So as most of my friends know, I work from home. And because I work from home, where we only live in a one-bedroom apartment, it is impossible for Jackie to watch TV while I work during the day. So I figured for Christmas this year, which he knows about, so I'm not spoiling anything, I bought him a Sennheiser wireless headphone headset to go with the smart TV. And I'm so proud of myself because I hooked it up all by myself. No help from him. It was super easy. All I had to do was plug this into that, plug that into the back of the TV, plug this into the wall, put the batteries in, and it works. I'm like super impressed. The hardest part, which is actually kind of cool, is this particular model comes with different attachments. So whether or not you're using a plug here, like in Canada or the United States, or if you're over in Europe, it gives you the different adapters to use to plug into your outlet for your country. So that was the hardest part, was figuring out which adapter to use, which honestly wasn't really all that hard. But yeah, so if you're looking for a great Christmas gift for the TV watchers in your life who like to have the volume up super loud while you're sleeping or you're working, I highly recommend this. It's on sale right now at Amazon for $129.99.